Hi everyone, this is Special Mother. I hope everyone is well and safe. And today we're going to cook salmon. I'm gonna cook this. I'm gonna cook it with butter and lemon, and also you can do this with other fish like tuna and kingfish. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so this recipe takes only 10 minutes to make. And here are the ingredients. I seasoned the salmon with salt and pepper, and we have here the butter, the olive oil, the lemon juice, and we have the lemon, of course, and last is we have the zest, lemon zest. Okay, so we're now ready to fry the lemon, not the lemon, the salmon. And what we did is we put the olive oil, and then I'm adding now the butter. It's 4 tablespoons of butter. Okay, so what we're gonna do next is we're gonna mix the butter until it becomes slightly brown. And when it's a little bit brown, we are going to add the salmon. We're gonna fry first the other side, and then after that we're going to fry the other side. So we need to fry both sides of the salmon. Okay, so just like that, just like what I'm doing. Yeah. So we'll wait until this side be cooked, and that's the time we're going to turn the salmon. So it's time now to turn the salmon, and we'll wait until it's cooked again. So we're gonna cook both sides. And then what we're gonna do next is we're gonna add the lemon juice. Yeah, just like that. So after adding the lemon juice, what we're gonna do next is we're gonna add the lemon zest. Okay. So just like that. So easy. As you can see, it's very easy. And then after that, I'm going to spoon the sauce over the salmon as it cooks through. Just like that. And then what we're gonna do next is it's ready, and we are going to see if it's all cooked, and then now we're going to transfer it in a serving plate, and it's ready to be served. Okay, so as you can see, the butter, it's really yummy. Yeah, it's so yummy. I tried it once, and I just get this recipe from Natasha's Kitchen. So you can see the butter. I'm gonna pour the butter over the salmon, and then it's ready to serve. Yeah, and then I'm gonna put the lemon rings on top of the salmon. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do next. So it is really yummy. It's good to eat this with vegetable salad, or maybe with rice. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this recipe, and it's really very easy. This is an easy recipe that anyone can do this. Thank you so much. Bye.